Alright guys, Lincoln 180 Weld-Pak, and it's having gun issues, or excuse me, gas issues. And I believe I've talked about this before, but I might as well do an actual video on it and give you some tips, especially on these kind of units. I see this enough that it's just sucks. You guys are paying for my time, but that's all right. I'll take some dummies money. But anyways, I hooked it up to our gas, and I saw the gas blowing back here. Like I can see it projectile when I triggered it. So I look back here. You can kind of see that part of the gun, this part right here, that it's not inserted all the way. It's got to be all the way to that black part. So sometimes this little wing nut will get in the way, but it pretty much needs to look, even if it feels tight, you're not going far enough. All right, let me see. Let me get it. I'm gonna pause it real quick. There, you can see how it's all the way up to that black part. Especially if you can hear the gas coming, and if you want to open up the machine, make sure that the hose line isn't detached or something. But if you can hear it, then, and you see that projectile, like I saw the projectile when I triggered it, like just blow out air. That's, it's going against the gun there, and it just wasn't inserted all the way. So that's a quick one. Just wanted to talk about. And like I said, you gotta use sometimes two hands. Sometimes this little guy gets in the way, and that was just a quick little fix there. And then I will test it with it. Everything works fine. Little solid home units, I'm guessing. It sucks that 1 hour of our price is like a fourth of what this machine costs probably. So make sure you guys save yourself some money and time. Look it over a little bit, and yeah, don't do dumb shit. Catch you guys later.